This simple number basis on the board. Let's work it out and get the correct answer. Now, if 45 is in base n is equal to 1020, which is in base 3, the question says, calculate the value of n. It's so simple. See how we are going to do that. Now, because this is in base n, we are going to raise this one on this side in base n. While this other side is in base 3, we are going to raise it to the base of what? 3. So let's go. I have 45 base n is equals to 1020, which is in base what? 3. So this is, we start with the first number, which is 4. 4 times what? N, because this is the base here, right? Raised to the power of what? We have taken 4, which is the first digit, remaining how many? 1. So raised to the power of what? 1, right? Now plus 5 times what? N, raised to the power of what? This is the last number, so raised to the power of what? 0. I hope that is clear. Now this is equals to 1 times 3 raised to the power of how many? We started with 1, so we count 1, 2, 3, right? Raised to the power of what? 3. Now plus 0 times 3 raised to the power of how many? We have 2, plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of what? 1, plus 0 times raised to the power of what? 0. Okay, now look at it. Let's proceed. We have 4 times n raised to the power of 1, it becomes 4n. Then plus 5 times n raised to the power of what? 0. That is, any number that is raised to the power of 0, automatically it is equals to 1. So this is 5 times what? 1. Let me just put it in bracket to be on the safe side. Then this is equals to 1 times 3 raised to the power of 3. And 3 raised to the power of 3 is the same as what? Saying 3 times 3 times 3, which will give me 27. So this is 1 times what? 27, plus 0 times 3 times 3 is what? 9. So this is 9, plus 2 times 3, plus 0 times 1. Hope that is clear. So on this side I have 4n plus 5, then is equals to, on this side I have 1 times 27 is what? 27, plus 0 times 9 is 0, sorry, is 0, plus 2 times 3 is 6, plus 0 times 1 is 0. So let's go again. We say 4n plus 5 is equals to 27 plus 6 is going to give me 33. So this is 33, right? So I will say 4n is equals to 33 minus what? 5, right? That's going to give me 28. Okay, so I have 4n is equals to 28. Now by the time we divide both sides by what? 4. Therefore, n is going to give me what? 7. Now for this particular question, the value of n is 7. I hope that is clear. See you next time. Bye.